Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how you can set up a Docker Compose server on Ubuntu hosted on Google Cloud Platform. So simply click the link in the description box to come to this marketplace listing for Google Cloud, and from here you want to create a new virtual machine with this particular image. So for that, simply click on launch, and then from this page customize your virtual machine. So give your virtual machine a deployment name, choose the region where you want your virtual machine to be deployed. After that, scroll down and choose the machine type according to your requirements. Also choose the disk space according to your requirements as well, and then scroll down and accept the agreement and click on deploy. And then you simply have to wait for the deployment process to complete. And by the way, this image comes with pre-installed Docker, Docker Compose, and all the prerequisites that are required to deploy a web application using Docker Compose. Once the deployment is complete, the next step is to connect to the SSH terminal of our virtual machine. So simply click on this button that says SSH to start up the SSH terminal in a new window. After that, simply wait for this window to connect to the SSH terminal. So once inside the SSH terminal, the very first thing that you want to do is that you want to start the service of Docker. So for that, you have to type in the command sudo systemctl start and then docker and then hit enter. After that, you want to type in the command sudo service docker start. And by the way, you can find these commands from the link in the description box, which is a step-by-step blog post guide on how to set up Docker Compose on Google Cloud Platform. So coming back to our tutorial, so now what we want to do is that we want to run the Docker Hello World template. So for that, simply type in the command sudo and then docker run and then hello-world. So what this is going to do is that it is going to look for the template Hello World locally, and then it is going to fetch the Docker Hello World and run it on our terminal over here. So this is the hello message from the Docker. Anyways, next up what we are going to do is that it is a totally optional step, but we are going to show you how you can set up a web application using Docker Compose. So for that, the very first thing that you want to do is that you want to allow the TCP port number 80 for HTTP connection and port number 443 for HTTPS connection for your Google virtual machine. So simply head back to google.console. From here you want to click on this hamburger icon and then scroll down to compute engine and then click on VM instances. Now on this page you can see this option that says set up firewall rules. So click on it, and basically what we want to do is that we want to create a new firewall rule. So for that, simply click on this button right here, and I'm going to give my rule a particular name. So I'm going to call it port 80 because I'm going to only allow port number 80 for HTTP connection. But if you want to allow 443 port as well, simply just change the 443 down below. Anyways, so I'm going to give my rule a particular name, which is port 80, and then I'm going to scroll down, keep the network default, priority default, and for the source IP ranges, I'm going to allow all the IP ranges. So for that, I'm going to type in 0.0.0.0 and then /0. So here comes the main part. This is how we are going to select which virtual machine gets this specific rule. So we are going to set up a specific target tag, and we are going to set up the tag as allow 80. Any virtual machine which has this tag allow 80 is going to have access to this firewall rule, which in turn is going to give it access for port number 80. After that, what are the ports that I want to allow? So I'm going to only allow TCP ports, and the ports are 80. And if you want HTTPS connection, simply change it to 443 as well. Anyways, when you're done, simply click on create to actually create this firewall rule. Now after that, what we want to do is that we want to give that tag allow 80 to our virtual machine. So click on this hamburger icon, compute engines, and then VM instances. After that, we want to click on the name of our virtual machine. So simply click on the name, and then we want to click on this edit tag right over here. And then we are going to scroll down to network tags right over here, and then we are going to add in a tag which is allow 80, and then simply hit enter. After that, we are simply going to save the settings by clicking this button right over here, and once that is done, we can move on to deploying our web application. So for the web application, simply click the link in the description box to come to this official documentation by Docker, and from here simply follow the steps to deploy web application. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to quickly go over through this and explain what I'm doing, but since it is not a part of Docker tutorial, and because of that reason I'm not going to explain the code in the files. So I'm going to simply create this directory, move inside the directory, and then I'm going to create the app.py file. But before creating that file, I'm going to switch to su by typing in the command sudo su and then hit enter. And then I'm going to create the files by using the nano command. And then I'm going to simply paste in these lines in that app.py file and then Ctrl O Ctrl X to save and exit. After that, we want to create this file which is the requirements.txt. So nano and requirements.txt, and then I'm going to copy these two lines in that file. After that, we want to create this docker file and then copy these lines into that file. And lastly, we want to create this docker.yaml file and copy these lines inside that file. But in this file, we are simply going to change the port redirection from port 8000 to 5000 and change it to 80 redirected to port number 5000. We are redirecting to 5000 because we are running Flask and Flask listens on the port number 5000. And then when we are done creating the files, we can run this command which is the docker compose up command and then hit enter. And then we simply need to wait for the web application to be deployed. So as you can see that our web application is running on the local host of the virtual machine. So because of the IP redirection that I did in the docker compose YAML file, I can simply visit the IP address or the external IP address of my virtual machine. So head back to console.google, and from here you want to click on again hamburger icon and then compute engines, and from here we're simply going to copy the external IP of our virtual machine and paste it inside a new tab and then hit enter. So as you can see, our web application is running. What this application does is that it simply tells the number of times it has been visited. So it says 1, if I refresh it, it changes to 2 and so on. Anyways, that was it for this video on how to set up Docker Compose on Google Cloud Platform. So if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, make sure to leave that query in the comment section down below. And make sure to check out the link in the description box for the marketplace listing for Google Cloud Platform and for the step-by-step blog post guide. And if this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.